Last year, I took the Pro Riders Advanced Motorcycle course and I learned quite a bit. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should take an advanced motorcycle course. Now let's hop into it. First on my list, improve safety. Advanced motorcycle courses teach riders how to handle their bikes in a variety of situations, such as emergency braking and swerving around an object. This can help riders stay safer on the roads. My absolute favorite exercise while I was at the Pro Riders course, which was probably the most difficult, was the high-speed cone weave. This may look easy, but trust me, this was extremely difficult. Just check out this clip of me trying to perform it.
I'm going about 30 right now, so. Woo-hoo! Wow, that was pretty intense. It looked a hell of a lot easier when he's doing it. Nailed it. Doing a little cone bowling.
Whoa, that looked intense. On to my next reason, exposure to new exercises. While you're riding your motorcycle, you find yourself in all sorts of different scenarios. It's important that you expose yourself to different training exercises. While I was at the Pro Rider course, my instructor Mike introduced me to the lane change. This exercise I really struggled with. Let's take a look.
Come through these two. Stay in here. Oh. Coming in through here. Ah. All right, we got it.
This exercise is great for maneuvering in and out of tight spaces. I'm glad he showed me this because this is just another tool I can put in my toolbox. All right, Joe, I'm still not convinced. Okay, Chuck, let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy saving money?
Oh, hell yeah, I love saving money. The more money I save, the more motorcycle parts I can buy. You know what I'm saying.
This leads me into my next reason. You can save money on your insurance. Most insurance companies will give you a discount on your insurance if you take an advanced or even a basic rider's course. On average, you can save about 10 to 15% off of your premium. Short term, these courses may seem expensive, but they'll quickly pay for themselves with the discount that you'll get on your insurance. After you've done one of these courses, they'll give you a certificate of completion. You send that over to your insurance company to redeem your discount.
All right, Joe, you're slowly convincing me. What else you got?
Well, Chuck, by taking an advanced rider course, this will boost your confidence. By boosting your confidence, this will increase your enjoyment level while riding your motorcycle. When I first started riding, I would get nervous and stressed out when I'd have to make a tight U-turn. This feeling didn't make riding very enjoyable. After countless hours of practice and taking these courses, I look forward to making U-turns now.
Hit me with another one, Joe.
Sure thing, Chuck. Next on my list, personalized instruction. Practicing out in the parking lot is great, but you can't always see what you're doing wrong. Typically, advanced motorcycle courses have smaller groups. This gives the instructor the ability to focus in on what you're struggling with, then give you feedback and tell you how to fix your deficiency. I got lucky when I attended my Pro Rider course.
I was the only one there.
My instructor Mike was able to solely focus on me. Check out this clip of him explaining what I was doing wrong here.
You know, so I think you're coming in, but it looks like if you come in, you get this turn real nice, and you're in the center, and then you turn a little early right here. Maybe come right to about here and then turn.
Okay.
All right, Joe, you son of a gun, you convinced me. Where can I find some more information about the Pro Rider course?
I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description to their website. They have over 70 locations nationwide. If you're out in Ohio, I highly suggest looking up Mike from Pro Rider Columbus. If you're in Texas, look up Paul Harper from Pro Rider Central Texas. And last but not least, is not a Pro Rider course, but look up Robert Simmons from Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle and go do a practice session with him. If you want to see my experience at the Pro Rider course, click on this video right here. As always, this is Jogo with Jogo Motorcycle Adventures. Until next time, ride on.